South Australian Metropolitan Fire Service, Home Fire Safety Fact Sheet, Barbecue Safety. Barbecues are a very popular way of cooking and are part of the Australian summer lifestyle, but they are also a source of many fires each year. Preparing for the barbecue season and using the barbecue safely will go a long way towards making it an enjoyable summer. Pre-summer check. Barbecues are usually kept outside and may deteriorate quickly in the weather. Don't assume that your barbecue will be in the same condition as when you last used it. Before using your barbecue, it's important to do a maintenance check. Check the expiry date on your gas cylinder. Gas cylinders must be tested every 10 years. Visually check all hose lines for splits, cracks, or deterioration of the surface. You should replace the hose if it shows any signs of damage or degradation. If the hose needs replacing, it is a good practice to replace the entire regulator assembly, as the rubber diaphragm inside the regulator also wears with age. Check the gas cylinder to make sure that it is in good condition with no dents or bulges. If rust on the cylinder is more than surface deep, the cylinder should be tested or replaced. Check that all O-rings are present and in good condition where they are part of the connection. They must be soft and pliable, not hard and cracked. Check all hose connections and control valves, including regulators, for gas leaks. Turn the cylinder on, and with the barbecue knobs turned off, use a very wet soapy cloth, a paintbrush with soapy solution, or a spray bottle with soapy water, and apply copious amounts of soapy water all over the hoses and valves. Bubbles forming will indicate a gas leak. Note: do not use any solution that contains ammonia, as this can cause the brass connections to become brittle and crack. Give the barbecue a good scrub to remove fat buildup and empty the fat tray under the barbecue. When using your gas barbecue, check that hoses and connections are clear of burners or hot metal parts. Do not use the barbecue under the eaves of the house. Never use barbecues inside, and only use them outside in well-ventilated areas to avoid the danger of carbon monoxide poisoning. Ensure that nothing flammable is above or around the barbecue. Wear a shirt or a top with close-fitting sleeves when barbecuing. Do not allow a large build-up of fats and oils in the drip tray. Check gas connections for leaks every time the gas cylinder is changed. If the barbecue has a hood, always light it with the hood raised. Keep children and pets away from hot surfaces. During the Bushfire Danger season, always check for fire bans and any local council restrictions before you light up. Ring 1300 362 361 for fire ban information. When using your wood or solid fuel barbecue, keep fire starters, matches and lighters in a secure place. Don't leave them around for children to find. Do not burn treated timber, as the chemicals released in the smoke are toxic. Do not use accelerant like petrol to assist in lighting a solid fuel barbecue. Dispose of the ashes with care and ensure that the ashes are cold. During the Bushfire Danger season, always check for fire bans and any local council restrictions before you light up. Ring 1300 362 361 for fire ban information. That is the end of this home fire safety fact sheet. For more information, visit our website at www.mfs.sa.gov.au. If you have a question, you can call the Community Engagement section in Adelaide on 8204 3611. Alternatively, you can email your question to samfscommunitysafety@sa.gov.au.